Hey, welcome back to another session. In this section, we are discussing about database structure, how the tables are related, and how we are going to connect the tables. So here are the full list of tables. We have this much details. Already we collected information from the client and we got the requirement. Based on the requirement, we created a database structure. So this is the simple structure. Don't confuse with this thing. We'll split it up and explain it one by one. So here we have only discussing about adding a product in the backend. So for that we need a master product table. This is the master product table. Inside the product we need to mention the company ID. For that company ID we need a company table. So this is the master company table. Here we are going to insert each company details. So we have a company ID, company name, logo, address, phone number, and other information about each company. So this software is for, so they need to create different branch. So branch name is different, like Metro Electrical, Metro Paints. So it's like different branch. So we have to connect that branch. So it's a single software for different branches. So we need to add master product. For that we need master community table, and one more thing is we need to mention the category. So for that we have master product category table. Just category name and ID. We'll discuss this in details, and we have another table, lot of table based on the client requirement, like sales invoice, stock transfer, sales return, master settings, sales credit note, expense info. So don't be confused with this. All this thing we discuss details as we discussed in adding the master product. So this is the master category UI. So when we need to add new product category, we just have to add the category name. Automatically other details will be created, like category ID and other details. Then we have product master. In the product master, we will select the company and we'll select the category. So this is the category we added in the previous table. We have category table. In that we mentioned the name, like electrical, paint, hardware, plumbing. So other details are unique and we'll add in that table. Product table. So before filling the product table, we have to mention category table and the company table. So in the product table, we know there should be product ID, then product name, product price, total stock, then product category. But this category will be changed, right? So we need to create this category table in a different table, that is category table. So there will be category ID, category name, and the status. Same way for different company we are inserting products. So we need to mention which company we are going to insert. For that, we need to mention the company also. So the company details will share in different table. That also like company name and company ID and status. So this is the structure for adding to product. We are selecting the company and other details, product name, product quantity, code, price, selling price. Then we have category to select and submit. So this is simple, right? We don't have to worry about much things. Only we are going to add product table now. So we are going to add product. So inside the product, we have to mention category and the company. So one more field is there, extras that we'll discuss later. So it's like it's an additional requirement. So we'll discuss later. So this is the product date, added date. So all of the details are tax values, and we'll create the table in the backend. Hope you understood. If you have better data structure, please add that in comment so that everybody can follow that also. Thank you.